Yep, can you hear me?
Yep. All right. Well, good afternoon. We're on the record in the 53rd Circuit Court for the County of Presqu'île. We are providing public access both in the Presqu'île courtroom and also online. And we have an arraignment on a probation violation warrant in People v. Tulgetska. It's file 24-93302FH. Counsel, you want to state your appearance, please?
Yes, Mike Vogler. I'm here representing Mr. Stephen Tulgetska for this arraignment.
Okay, thank you. All right, Ms. Tulgetska, it's alleged that you are in violation of your probation in 4 respects. First of all, that on or about December 2nd, it's alleged that you engaged in assaultive, threatening, or intimidating behavior toward a Dr. Hassan at the medical center in Alpena. Secondly, it's alleged that on or about December 3rd, you fled the probation office and your whereabouts were unknown. Third, that on or about December 3rd, you refused to submit to a drug test when directed by your field agent. And fourth, that on or about December 3rd, you refused to submit to a PBT while directed by your field agent. You have the right to have a hearing on those allegations where they would need to be proven by a preponderance of the evidence. You have the right to the assistance of a lawyer. Mr. Vogler is there through MIDC to assist you with the arraignment on this. If you requested and qualified, we'd refer it for assigned counsel for you, or you can hire an attorney to accuse them. You have the right to cross-examine any of the evidence presented against you and to present evidence in your own defense. If you are found to be in violation or you admit to it, you could be subject to the following penalties. They're all alleged to be technical probation violations. If you're found guilty or admit to one, the maximum penalty is 15 days in jail. For 2 of them, the maximum would be 30 days. For 3 of them, the maximum would be 45 days. And for 4 technical violations or more, you could be subjected to revocation of probation and sentenced on the underlying offense, which in your case is a 2-year felony for resisting police. And Mr. Vogler, with Mr. Tulgetska being advised of his rights and penalties, do you know how he wishes to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. He's going to proceed to a hearing on these matters,
Okay.
and he'll be hiring his own attorney.
Okay. Well, we'll schedule it for January 6th at 3:10 in the afternoon. That's the next time I'm over there, and with the holidays, I think that's probably the soonest we can get over there. And we'll await an appearance for someone for Mr. Tulgetska. And Mr. Tulgetska, if you change your mind and want a lawyer to represent you, just let us know right away. All right. And anything further, Mr. Vogler?
Yes, Your Honor. If we could address a bond. I know the court had indicated no bond on his pickup, but given the time between now and January 6th, I would ask,
make your argument.
Yeah, I'd ask for a personal recognizance bond for Mr. Tulgetska. He is employed, been residing at his current residence for the past couple of years. I think he was placed on probation in September, rather recently, I guess, with the court. So the court has some familiarity with him. And I really highly doubt that he's a flight risk.
Okay, do you know how he came to be in custody? Did he turn himself in or report to his agent, or did he have police contact? Any new charges, anything like that?
I don't know of any new charges being levied. I think he was aware that there was a warrant for him. He had to be at the hospital on Friday. He got picked up yesterday, or wait a minute, he got picked up Saturday.
Was at the hospital for mental health.
Yeah. So he was at the hospital Friday on a mental health visit, but got picked up at his house Friday or Saturday. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I mean, even though these are technical violations, the main concern I have is It's alleged that he, actually took off from the probation office where he's talking to his probation officer and asked to submit to some tests, and instead he just leaves, and then 3 weeks go by and he's not reporting. He's just out there doing what he wants. That's very concerning to me, Mr. Tolgetska. I'll have you held without bond pending the hearing. I'll see you next on January 6th at 3:10 in the afternoon, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,